Hello, welcome to the channel The Tech Outlook. Our today's topic is data abstraction in DBMS. Uh, Please do subscribe to my channel, those who haven't subscribed it. Thank you so much. Now, the first question comes in our mind is what is data abstraction and what are the different levels of data abstraction? So data abstraction is nothing but the process of hiding irrelevant details from the user is called as data abstraction. So there are three different levels of abstraction. The first level is physical level, which describes how a record is stored into the database. Physical level is nothing but lowest level and which talks about how record of the students or records of the different tables are stored into database. The second level is logical level, which is nothing but the middle level, which describes how what data is stored into database. It describes data stored in the database and the relationships among the data. So it focuses on what data is stored in the database. Physical level focuses on how data stored, how a record is stored, whereas logical level talks about how record is what data is stored, what record is stored in the database. So if I will give an example of student, student is a table which has roll number, name, address and phone number, four attributes. Roll number has number data type, name has string data type, address has string data type and phone number has number data type. So what data is stored? So what is the actual value of roll number? It should have numbered data type while storing it into database. Name should have string data type while storing the data. Address should contain string values and phone number should contain number, which is nothing but the data type of number attribute. So it focuses on what data is stored into database. That is nothing but the second level. And third level is nothing but view level. This level describes the user interaction with the database. So number of views will be there. How that I will explain you in the next slide. Views can also hide information such as an employee's salary for security purposes. So how it will be hide some information that I will explain you in the next slide. So this is nothing but an architecture for the database system which talks about three different levels. Physical level at the bottom level, that is nothing but the lowest level which talks about how data is stored. Logical level is at the middle level which talks about what data is stored, and view level which has number of views. Now, view 1, view 2, likewise we will have number of views at the topmost layer. That is nothing but the highest level of data abstraction. So I will explain you these three levels with the example of MySQL database. If we have created college database, create database college is the command which is used to create college database. Once we are created college database, we can create student table. Now here we are creating student table with the roll number, name, address and phone number with their data types. So whenever we will create the table, we can see that what type of data is stored into database, right? After that we will have insert command which will insert the records into student table. So whenever we will insert the values, one will contain roll number, ABC is nothing but name, address and phone number, and these are not, different data types already we have we have declared while creating the student table. So here I have inserted two records for student table. So here I can explain you how view level, physical level and logical level are executed. How data is stored, it doesn't matter for the users, right? But logical level which talks about what data store. So what data store, here we can see data, roll number, name, address, phone number of the student will be stored into database. That is nothing but logical level. And view level, different views are there. So if I execute select star from student, it will display all the records that are there in the student table. So star, it is nothing but all the attributes of the student table, roll number, name, address, phone number. This is nothing but the first view. Second view, select role comma name from the student. So whenever we will execute this command, only two attributes will be, the values of these two attributes will be retrieved from the student table. That is nothing but from the database student. So role name, this is nothing but the second level. Third level, select name, phone from the student. So only name and phone from the students will be retrieved. So likewise, we will have different views from the database. This is nothing but view level. So physical level, the summary of this data abstraction, that is nothing but physical level, which is called as lowest level of the data abstraction, which talks about how data is stored. Logical level, middle layer, middle level, which talks about what data is stored. And view level is nothing but the highest level of the abstraction, which talks about different views of the database. I hope you must have understood this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment it in the comment box. I will definitely answer. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.